My video will help you to remove the adware called AssistiveOrigin. AssistiveOrigin is the adware from the adload family of adware type infections. AssistiveOrigin adware, once installed, may periodically cause unwanted browser redirections, and it will also show its own advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. This AssistiveOrigin adware basically acts in a very aggressive manner. It is spread through being integrated with a lot of free applications. If this AssistiveOrigin was found on your system, you need to right-click on it and then move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start thoroughly researching the system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and remove other threats. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.